This is not about personalities. It is about protecting Irish farmers, about consumer confidence and about the integrity of Irish food promotion at home and abroad. So my question to you, Taoiseach, is simple and it is direct. Do you accept that there is a fundamental conflict of interest in the chair of Bord Bia also being chief executive of a company importing Brazilian beef to Ireland? And if you do accept that, will the government finally act and remove the chair from his position, or are you going to continue to defend a situation that is plainly untenable and expect farmers and the public to simply look the other way?
We are going to follow due process. This place isn't a kangaroo court where we just come in and say, off with your head. We actually have boards, we have legislation. I have confidence in the board of Bord Bia to do its duty in terms of examining any issues, perceived or real, that would arise, and then to give their view to the Minister in line with how this place operates and how government operates. I have confidence in that process. I have confidence in the speed at which Bord Bia have convened their board meeting, and indeed that the chair has sought an opportunity to engage with the board. And I think Francie Gorman, the president of the IFA's comments in relation to that being the correct forum to address the issue is absolutely the right course of action. Due process matters. Due process matters. Just because you've read a headline or heard this or heard that, what's the purpose of a board of directors, Pearse, Deputy, if you don't actually want it to have met this morning? It's meeting right now. Like, can you wait a few minutes? Can you wait for it actually to sit down, have a conversation and then report to the Minister? Or does it have to be now, in time for the 1 o'clock news? Come on now, a little bit of fairness here. This shoot first and ask questions later that your party is steeped in doesn't serve democracy well.